Hey guys, Big15 here. Now, today, oh yeah, got my foot spinner. Today, just wanted to quickly tell you that with reaction videos, it's kind of getting a little bit complicated now, because there's a lot of videos I want to react to, and a lot of them are like 22 minutes, something like that. And the problem is that the way how I record this is through this thing called Screen-O-Matic. This I'm using the free version, which only records up to 15 minutes. So yeah, as you can see in the corner over here, I was trying to use OBS. Now I'm not going to show you what happens, but when I try and like screen record it, it only does black screen. And if you say, oh, I follow something on the internet, like use your graphics card or something like that, I don't really have a graphics card. Even if I do, it's not the one what everyone else I've seen on the internet has. And yeah, and like there's this other way with like this local C file, which I don't have, so I don't know how to fix that. Anyway, yeah. Also, got Poppy in my background again. And yeah, it's currently 3:08 in the morning. Oh, I think I deleted that one. Anyway, what I'm saying is that I was trying to use OBS. I could try and record gameplay if I find out how to do that again, because yeah, I need a flipping haircut. But what I'm saying is that if I do react to something that's over like 15 minutes, there's gonna be a cut in it, and like I'm gonna have to like get an editing software to do that, because I can't do it on my there on my iPad, which is where I do my editing right now, but not for my gaming videos, mainly for my vlogs. And really with vlogs you don't really have to do much editing, but with gaming videos I just upload them how they are. But when I do get an Elgato and do like other consoles and other games, or aren't even on Xbox, I might record my Xbox with an Elgato when I get a good one. But what I'm saying is reaction videos are going to be hard to do right now because of this whole thing what I used to record. So until OBS works for me, like if the company of OBS is watching this, the laptop I use is a Dell G315, and I don't know what's going on with it. Can you like test it out and see what's wrong, so you could try and get it to work for my laptop? Anyway, yeah. So every time I'm going to record, it's going to be at least one cut for like 1 hour. Like if like there's a stream I'm wanting to react to, I'll just stream it. But then I also have to use LBS for that. But I'll just like do it. So I'll watch it on my phone, and then like have this streaming me, except that you won't be able to see the actual screen, which is another problem for that. Which is because I also tried using Streamlabs for this, and that didn't work. But just be warned, if I do a reaction video, there's gonna be at least one cut if it's like a 20-minute video of a reaction. So yeah. Or I pay monthly for this screen recorder, or I find out what's wrong with my, OBS and get that working. But until then, this is how I'm gonna have to do this. Okay guys, just 15 minutes. And if there's any videos that are under than 15 minutes you would like me to react to, leave it in the comments below. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Please subscribe, like, and let's get this video to 5 likes. Anyway, thank you for watching, and goodbye. Okay, I know this is like after the ending, guys, but one thing I forgot to I think I said, like, I did watch the whole video through, and I don't think I said anything about this, but I'm only going to be able to do like the 20-minute reactions when I get editing software for my laptop, because like I said, I can't transfer the things to my, oh my god, it is so hard, to my iPad. I'm actually pointing towards that, but it's because of where my iPad is. But yeah. So like I said, 20 minutes is gonna be a cut once I get an editing software. That's all I needed else to say. So this is the proper goodbye now, guys. So goodbye now.